Welcome to today's challenge, which is mindful sitting. And I know all of us do this all the time, and you could say this is something that we already know how to sit properly. Well, the whole idea is all the day-to-day things, the easy things, the subtle things. If we can become mindful and think of our well-being at that time, we are living a mindful life. Whenever you're sitting in front of the TV or in front of the computer or reading a book or looking at the smartphone, on the couch, on the ground, anywhere, you can be mindful, and you don't have to have necessarily this chair and table. All you need to do is ask yourself, am I sitting straight, whether on the bed or on the chair? Am I sitting mindfully? Am I aware that I'm sitting and I need to take care of my well-being? That's it. First thing we recall is our desired state of well-being by breathing in and thinking and recalling what it was that I picked up in the morning and breathing out. So some of the well-being anchors that we can use for mindfulness while sitting are, of course, breathing and smile and things like keeping my back straight, my neck straight. I'm able to stretch properly or not, and so that means I'm sitting right in the front or in the back. The distance from the computer is enough and I'm able to stretch all the way. And then, am I able to read at the eye level? Right? For example, if you look at this, I have this laptop. These days all of us have to work from home. So the height of the laptop screen is not at my eye level. So I put some cushions, couple of cushions, the boxes below this, so that it comes at the same level. But then the keyboard goes a little higher. I should not be working like this. So I have an extra keyboard, which I put it in the computer table here, and this is at my armrest level now. So is the mouse. So I can work like this with the eye level, and I won't feel the pressure. I don't have to go up or down, which will lead to some pain in the neck or in the shoulders. So check this. And the other thing, your feet should be well rested. They should not be hanging in there. And if your legs are short, you can put some footrest, or you can put your chairs down, or whatever way, but it should be not hanging in there. Feet, neck, shoulders, and eye level, these are the main things that we need to watch out on how we are doing this mindfully. If I'm able to go back to these anchors, I'll be sitting mindfully and I'll be taking care of my well-being also. Because if we are slouching, it looks like this. There is a blockage of energy right at the neck. It could even hurt. The shoulders, slouching shoulders become like this. Our back becomes like this, which is not the natural state. So to keep it as natural, we should be sitting comfortably, well rested. And in the end, all I need to do is again do a closing with a gratitude for all the components for making this at the right height, the chair, to make my sitting as comfortable and as straight, so that my whole energy in the body flows through all the channels. And that's it. Finally, if you're not sitting mindfully, which happens many times watching TV or something, or even eating, so forgive yourself for that time, but remember not to repeat it next time. And if you are able to do mindful sitting and see you've done it well, please pat yourself on the back, because the back is going to be thanking you as well. And enjoy this relationship with your body and your posture. Sitting, we spend a lot of time sitting throughout the day. It's very important these days, especially when you're working online from home. So we should be extra careful and extra mindful while sitting. Thank you so much. Enjoy and see how it works out for you today. And do share with me any insights or reflections on mindful sitting.